You want to get this text effect right here, just like MrBeast uses. You're going to want to watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you a tool you can use, and it's not editor specific. So you can use it on CapCut, Filmora, whatever. Even though I like Filmora, that's what I'm going to be using. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I wanted to show you this. First, we're in editor, which happens to be Filmora, but it can be anything really. It could be CapCut, it could be DaVinci, because what we're going to do, you want to make sure all your editing's done in your editor before we do the captions. Okay? So once this is done, you can just let it sit there. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Dan. I have an associate's degree in IT for web and application development. But my real passion is making incredibly awesome thumbnails. So I want to show you how to make better designs and help you grow your YouTube channel. So keep watching. Now you're going to finish editing, then you're going to export it to your local machine. Okay, so I already have that done. So then from there we go to v.io, and I will tell you, I'm not getting paid for this, but I do have the pro account, which was $24 a month, just because for this feature is really awesome. So we're going to click new project and upload our video file. This is this one right here. And then you're going to click over here to subtitles. Now you can choose whatever language you like. We're going to auto subtitle in English. And this will take just a few minutes. We'll come right back. So there we go. Then from here, you do have a whole bunch different options you can choose. I like this one right here. It's got a nice dark, thick outline. So we'll click on that. So then we'll edit. First, I want to get this style right down here. So MrBeast uses this Komika Axis, and I will put that link in the description. Or you can just Google this, download a zip file, unzip it, and uploading right into Veed is super easy. So now we'll go to our captions. So from here, what you want to do, it's a little time consuming, but all you want is you just want one word at a time here. So you do that. And I am going to continue doing this, and I will be right back. I will definitely have this sped up for you. And here's where you can change the size. And your position. Maybe we'll put it up here, there. And it's pretty easy to change the size. I mean, it pops right up. You just double click on it and change your size. Or you can expand this a little bit. Like so. Okay. And that's pretty much it. And you want to make sure, excuse me, that you have everything perfect from here, and everything looks right to you, and it sounds right, as far as the text coming out and the voice matches. And you could always put a space in between. There's different things you could do to catch up with the sound if it bothers you. And then from there we go. Just trying to find that download button. Just click done. Down here to with your desired resolution, which looks like it wants even more money if you're exporting to 4K. Quality HD, and then we'll export our video. And that is your finished product, by the way. Remember to do all your editing in your editor first, then export it, and then you're going to upload it to Veed and do all the above things that I just showed you. Hope this helps. It's a completely different way than all the other videos you've watched, so I hope it gives you a better idea and helps you out make a better design. Thanks.